Well, HBAR crypto could be gearing up for a massive rally following Robinhood's listing, making it a top daily gainer among the top 20. And all of a sudden, all eyes are on HBAR, very similar to what I've seen with XRP over the past couple years. Now, HBAR rallies recently on the heels of Robinhood's crypto lineup, while a technical analyst is suggesting $3.30 could be possible if the token clears a key resistance level. Now, we're not in the business of telling you how high things are going to go, but I am in the business of bringing you the news based on what others say and obviously offering my opinions too and giving you guys some insights. And I will say this, it seems as if HBAR is kind of capturing the retail audience, very similar to how XRP did. And I was relatively early to XRP before the big burst, and it feels as if any of these ISO compliant cryptos, HBAR, Algorand, XLM, amongst others, could be kind of in line to see some big gains this altcoin season. So with all of that being said, guys, go ahead and hit the like button if you have not already. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. And also, make sure you guys are signed up for my newsletter. If you're not yet signed up for my newsletter, which we'll show you right here real quick, there's a link down below in the description. It's totally free. You can download my free newsletter for wealth strategies in crypto right now. Name and email, hit submit, and you're good to go. There's a link right at the top of the description. And highly encourage you guys to check that out. Why not? Get 3 free newsletters every single week sent right to your inbox. Now, let's get into what CoinDesk had recently shared with us earlier this morning. So we know that HBAR jumped up at one point today. When I looked, it was up 15%. Right now, at the time of this recording, we're up 9% today. We did pop up to about 29 cents, coming down a little bit, but here in the last 7 days, you could see the V-shaped recovery after a little bit of a dip. And look at the monthly chart here. We broke down after hitting 29 cents back in early July. We broke back down to 23 cents just to pop back up basically right where we are today. And if you zoom out to the yearly chart, this is when we were accumulating HBAR. It's crazy to think 5 cents, 6 cents. We were down there for a long time. Look at this. Throughout the bear market, look at all of these opportunities to scoop it up. Now we're on the up and up. And I know so many people holding HBAR pumped up. And I don't think we're even remotely close to where we could go. And, well, there's a few analysts out there that also feel the same. So the listing to Robinhood sent HBAR trading volumes much, much higher with a midday breakout through the 26-cent mark. And we actually, again, zoomed up today close to 29 cents. And we do have a few things to kind of talk about in terms of how high we could potentially go here. Let's get these ads out of here. Why the heck is this? There's nowhere even to click out of this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Can't even get out of this. Why? There we go. All right. Hedera, unlike traditional blockchains, it says, operates on a unique hashgraph consensus. If you watch my last HBAR video, gave you a great breakdown as to why the big institutions could be gearing up, why it's enterprise grade ready. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out on the channel. You'll find it in the HBAR playlist. But this is designed to support decentralized applications, NFTs, and DeFi. It's widely known for its energy efficiency as well. The network's native token, Hbar, is used to pay for network services, stake for security, and incentivize node participation. But one analyst in particular believes Hbar could have more room to run. And I agree with this particular analyst on some levels here, and we'll get into that as we kind of, sift through this. But he pointed at a resistance level near 35 cents, which he said aligns with something called the super trend indicator, a commonly used tool that helps traders identify when an asset may switch from a downtrend to a massive uptrend. And according to Chart Nerd, if Hbar can close above that level with strong momentum, the token could enter what traders call price discovery. This is a stage where there are no prior highs to act as barriers. you've got room to run to the upside. He cited Fibonacci extension levels, which are often used to estimate future price targets during strong uptrends, suggesting that HBAR could potentially rise to $1.26 or even $3.30 in the most bullish scenario. Now, that is music to my ears. I'm sure it's music to a lot of people's ears, especially if you guys were accumulating, HBAR sub 10 cents. We were doing it at 5, 6 cents. We were making some HBAR videos years ago. Nobody was paying attention, but that's neither here nor there. But it is why you subscribe, because we're here in the bear market. We're here in the bull market. We don't go anywhere. Well, this is what we do. I've been doing this every single day. I took a big chance in 2021, started doing crypto full time, and it's paid off and then some. It's been amazing, and would love to have you on, board for this journey that we're on together. So, but anyway, according to a CoinDesk Research technical analysis model, HBAR rose from 24 to 27 cents over the 24-hour period. The sharpest move happened around midday Friday. After hitting that level, the token briefly pulled back. But again, today we went up and scratched that number yet again, okay, at 29 cents. Now, if we look into earlier this year, we got close to that 35-cent level, which was talked about by that particular analyst. If we get up there to that 35-cent level, look out. Our all-time high, all-time high back in September 2021 is only 57 cents. We're only 50% away from that level right now. If we get up and show strength at 35 cents, guys, that is opening the door for a massive run where, our previous tops back in 2021, they were only a couple wicks, like here and there, right? Nothing crazy. So we could be opening the door for something really big here, especially with everything that's coming down the pike with ISO compliant cryptos, ETFs, the institutions, the big banks. Hbar is super well positioned here, super well positioned. Even Grayscale knows it in their large cap fund. So that's basically what we're watching for. Obviously, confirmation above this level to 35 cents. This opens the door for some massive gains. Now, how high we exactly go, I don't know. I mean, nobody knows. At the end of the day, these are just price predictions, right? Like nobody has a clue in terms of how high we're actually going to go. But what I will say is this. This is a crypto that I want to take a gamble on, okay? Because all crypto is gambling in some form or fashion, right? Things are a little bit less speculative than others. Things are more speculative, but it's all gambling. It's all speculation. But this to me, because of what I laid out in my previous HBAR video, you know what? I'm going to link it at the end too. So stick around. You'll see it pop up at the end. I'll link it here because I want you guys to watch that. I broke down exactly why we could see mass adoption with HBAR, both from retail and institutions. And I want you guys to check that out. So that is kind of where we are right now. Quick shout out to DFlow. They're the sponsor right now of this video. DFlow is a place where you can trade stocks, shares, and over 6 million different cryptocurrencies in a decentralized world. You could start trading right now. It's super easy to get in, and it's the first super exchange simplified. Experience the world of crypto with simplicity with DFlow. Totally free to sign up when you use my link. Go in there and check it out. You can go 40x leverage if you want. You got the lowest fees, no KYC. It's audited by all the top audit firms as well. So check out DFlow. Links down below in the description for that. And make sure you guys get that free newsletter. No matter what, get the free newsletter. Sign up today. I appreciate you all for watching. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. I am super excited about the upside potential here with HBAR, and we'll see what happens next.